All right, guys. Father-Son's Collectibles here. We are opening some Topps Finest Megas. Which pack do we want to open, guys? Hang on. Ready? Come here. Come stand. Come sit down, buddy. Okay. You whisper a number in my ear. 1, 2, or 3. Just say. What number you want to do, buddy? Okay. All right. We're doing number 1, guys. Matt, move closer, buddy. Okay. All right. We got the camera up there. So look, you can say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
That's going to be our reactions. And then we're going to do this one and we'll overlay them on the camera. So let's see how we do. Okay? You guys ready? All right. So for those who aren't familiar, we've opened quite a bit of this already, but there's uncommon, common, uncommon, and rare. There'll be different colors. I love the size of these boxes. All right, let's put that on the ground for now. Nope, leave it on the ground, son. Maverick, come sit down, please. Just put it, buddy, just leave it there for now. It's all good, man. It's all good, buddy. No, just wait. It's all good, dude. Let's see what we get. We're looking for numbered. We're looking for an auto. All right, we got PCA. That's a common. So the green is common. There's a nice rookie card. There's Tatis, common. Ellie, common.
A lot of good.
Hey, Murakami. Yeah, the rookies are what really made me want to open this, to be honest with you. And there is another uncommon, Fernando Tatis Jr. on the mini diamond. The mini diamond is a mega box exclusive, which is cool. Now, don't, Math, buddy, we'll throw them away after, buddy. Hey, Math, after, dude. Right now, hey, hang out and let's look at the cards. Come on. You can get close and we'll look at the cards together, okay? Just throw them on the ground for now. All right, here's Bobby. We got some color. So that's a refractor of the. Yeah. Okay, we got Bobby Witt, common. Bregman, common. Alonso, common. Hey, let's go. Shohei on the uncommon. Who's that? USA. Tariq Skubal. Now this is cool. Yeah, and now this is cool, guys. So this is a refractor. So I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but it'll say it on the back here in the top, refractor. So that makes it slightly more special, probably a few dollars. Here is a Samuel Basalu rookie insert.
Yeah, you can't hold it.
Where's Mom?
Yeah, what kind of card it is?
Okay, because you're supposed to not be in here, right? Wyatt Langford, Francis Lindor, Jacob DeGrom, common. Connor Griffin. I was going to say Peter Griffin. Connor Griffin on the rookie. What do we have here? Here's generally our hit.
Ooh,
hey, Sal Frelick to 99. That's pretty sweet.
Cool card. I like the green sparkle with the background.
Yeah, is that rare? It is a rare. Let's go.
I like the shine on.
And we got Kate. You do?
Yeah, I like the shine down.
Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. All right, let's get a penny sleeve for this guy.
Dad, can I put?
We wanted a different brewer, but that's okay. Yeah, I'll let you do some. Just wait just a second, okay?
Okay.
Wait just a second. All right, here we go. We've got 5 more packs here. All right, Kyle Schwarber, Harry Ford, rookie, Justin Crawford, rookie, Joe Ryan, Juxton Garcia, and Kyle Schwarber. Love to see it. All right, there we go. All right, halfway through the box, guys. What do we think so far?
Pretty good.
It's not bad. It's not bad. We need to see we need to see a big name here. Oh, that looks nice. That could be nice right there. Salvador. I'm sorry, buddy. I didn't mean to. There we go. Cam. Colby Thomas. There's Justin Verlander on the common. Luis Robert Jr. on the rare. And JJ. Nice on the mini diamond. So that's that is common, but still sweet. Luis Robert. Let's put him right here. Let's put JJ mini. All right. Let's see what else we got. We got some orange. Orange to 25, Mav. You ready? Let's see what we got here.
Yep, I do.
Altuve, Mace Wynn, Buxton. That's actually pretty sick right there. We'll come back to that. I did, but that's okay. We're going to try to...
Who was it?
It's a sick one. It's a good one. It's one of the good rookies. Let's go. Let's go, boys. All right, we got Raleigh, the big stumper, the big dumper. That's actually a pretty cool card right there.
Who is it?
A perfect game for Don Larson. Finest timelines. Pretty cool card. I mean, it's a cool insert. All right. We got Byron Buxton here. So for here, we got the Reds.
Please be Sal Stewart.
To 25.
It's Sal Stewart, isn't it?
Sal Stewart, baby. Let's go.
I love that card.
Rookie. Could win Rookie of the Year. Let's go, baby.
Can I put
You put in the penny slave? Yep. Here, let's give it to you.
Please, yeah, baby, careful.
You sure can. Yep, here. You got it? Grab it.
Yeah.
Put it in there. Be careful, okay?
Okay.
We still got 2 more packs, boys. Take your time, okay? Don't pinch the corners. Yeah, now the box is paid for. See? Now we more than made money. That's a beautiful car. And honestly, these are actually pretty beautiful too right here. This Shohei and these are uncommon. Those are solid, especially like a rookie card for, we got the mini diamond for, here we go. All right, let's get through this one here. All right, here we go. Acuna, common.
Dad, there's no good
We'll
color.
do a profit challenge at some point.
Dad, is there no good color?
No, there's a lot of good color coming out of this thing. All right, Bubba Chandler, J-Ram. Hey, another good rookie. I mean, just the rookies are worth it. Oh, that's a nice one too, actually, believe it or not. Jackson Holiday on the uncommon mini diamond.
Dad, what
Are you selling that stuff too?
Not for a while.
Dad, why are these cards painted? Why do these cards have paint on them?
We'll show you, buddy. Hang on. I think that's it as far as the box goes. Let's see.
Dad, why do the cards have paint on them?
Iron Judge, always a good day. Yamamoto. Well, that's just the design, buddy.
Oh.
Mike Trout. Nick Kurtz.
Wait,
and a beautiful rookie,
Wait,
Trey
are you going to
Savage.
give us any of the cards out of here? Or no?
Awesome. Yeah, we'll talk about it. I mean, we're going to sell a bunch,
Can you
but...
get me the orange?
All right, very nice hits. Very nice hits. So just to recap real quick, obviously the arrivals inserts are great because most of them are rookies, right? Like that's why we decided to, instead of continue to break these, we decided to start opening them because the rookie class here is just absolutely loaded, and we want to keep a lot of rookies for the long term, right? Montgomery's great, Basalo's great. I think Cam Schlittler's really good. Connor's obviously really good. Nolan McLean, we got more rookies in here somewhere. And then as far as the mini diamonds go, so obviously Jackson, but the rookie, JJ Weatherholt. Kate Horton is not a rookie. You normally get a lot more rookie mini diamonds. Obviously we got the Murakami, and there were some rookies in here. Yeah, that South Stewart made it all worth it. I mean, that made the whole box worth it. You know what I mean?
How much do you think that card is?
I don't know, man. We'd have to. We'll start comping some
Dad,
in these
the
videos.
cards are not painted.
Justin Crawford, Carl Crawford's son.
Dad.
Here's another rookie. Hang on, buddy. Hang on one second,
Baseball
okay?
cards are not painted.
Well, these are painted.
Are those
That's the
painted?
design. Okay, those are all the rookies. So,
May-
anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be making some more. We're gonna rip a box every night. We got a total of
Can I give a
8 more boxes to go.
Now, can I give